Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down 0.3% today. Two main catalysts. We had the Federal Reserve governors coming out doing different interviews. The more the market goes up, which has gone up a lot, since the bottom in middle of October, the more they come out with more aggressive rhetoric because the more the market goes up, the harder their job becomes. And it also probably makes them raise rates more often at a faster pace because of the fact that the higher stock market makes people, feel wealthy and start to spend more. And that's what they're trying to slow down. So we've seen some pieces here where it looks like inflation might be slowing, with these CPI reports and the wholesale reports. We've also seen some things that show like the retail sales were up quite a bit yesterday's report. And then today we had the first time unemployment claims come out, and it was the lowest it's been in a month. And again, usually we like lower unemployment, but in this particular case, that just means the job market's tighter, which shows that the, prices might continue to come up. And so that's, kind of those two pieces are going against each other right now. And that's kind of why the market's going sideways. We've been between 4,000 on the S&P 500 and 3,900 more or less, this week. And we've spent a lot of time in this range before, so it's not too surprising. So we have good support at 3,900, which is great, but it's been hard to get through 4,000. So have to have some type of catalyst, another good report on inflation. Combined, I think we'd start to need to see some good reports on some things slowing down. We are seeing, slowdowns in housing and such too, but we're still just not seeing in some of the other areas yet. So anyway, that's the key issue here, just that people are worried that the Federal Reserve will have too many excuses to raise rates, and they might raise rates too far, and kind of something usually falls apart. They did it in 2000, they did it in 2008. Just a little bit of a battle right now as we're heading through this transitionary period, what is really going to happen here. Is inflation still going up or is it coming down? And so we'll see how this plays out. But anyway, look forward to talking to you at my show tomorrow, if you'd like, from 12:15 to 1 o'clock on YouTube. I do a summary for the week at the beginning of the show, and you can send in questions, about anything you think about, whether it's financial planning related or investment related. So look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.